In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chime Credit Builder. But before we start, of course, Chime Credit Builder is now called Chime Card in many places. So if you do not see the Credits Builder inside the app, you can look for Chime Card instead, especially if you're trying to download the app or something like that. So also, this only works if you already have a Chime account and you are eligible to use the card. So if you're not, you'll not be able to do so. So as an example, you'll need to create an account first. By clicking on create an account, you'll have to enter your info. And basically, Shime is mainly for people who can open a Shime account in the US. Shime, as example, need things like a valid SSN, a US phone number, US residential address, and you must be 18 plus and US citizens or legal residents in order to create an account. So if you don't have an account, you will not be able to do that. So anyway, just you'll have to log in into your account. And then once you logged in as example, you can just go to your profile. So once you click on your profile, you can click on account details. And then you can find try Shimmy card or credit builder. So tap on it, and after that, you can basically follow the on-screen instructions. Shimi may ask you to confirm your personal information and address, and if you're eligible, you will be able to read the terms, check the boxes, and tap I agree. After that, your Shimi card should be set up. Now, Shimmy, or the important part, basically, Shimmy credit card does not work like a normal card where you basically spend money first and pay later. With this card, you use money that you already have. If you don't have money, you'll not be able to use it. So move money as an example first, then you will be able to use it. And yeah, of course, Shimmy also can report your payments activity to the credit bureaus, which may help build your credit history over time. But remember, it does not guarantee that your credit score will go up. So that's basically how to use Shimmy Credit Builder or Shimmy Card inside the Shimmy application. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.